There are many reasons to purchase an SUV, be it safety, functionality, or the latest tech features. For used car buyers though, there is still hope. It's often in their best interest to find a car they can depend on. In most cases, they may not even have the best options. Some posted for sale have over 100,000 miles or more. In reality, there are plenty of cars with those many miles that owners can still trust. Some will even give them another 100,000 miles on top of that before they finally call it quits. The following cars not only have a reputation for going the distance, but have what it takes to give owners security with their purchase. So, without any further ado, let's get into it. The Mazda CX-9. Launched in 2007, the CX-9 is a 3-row 7-passenger SUV from Japanese automaker Mazda. Through its 2 generations of production, it has won over many families thanks to its ample space, lively performance, and abundance of style. The CX-9 is a robust SUV that can last between 200,000 and 250,000 miles on average when properly maintained, driven conservatively, and well looked after. Under the hood is a 3.7-liter V6 that was shared with Ford. From its aluminum cylinder heads to its high compression ratio, this engine is a masterpiece of power and efficiency. It sends power to the front wheels through a 6-speed automatic transmission, or to all 4 wheels as an option. The CX-9 is a highly durable and safe SUV. In their most recent annual reliability survey, Consumer Reports named it as the most reliable in the world, and the CX-9 is ranked the most reliable in its segment, according to RepairPal. It's no surprise then that it has received glowing reviews from owners, car experts, and auto journalists alike. The Subaru Outback. First released in 1994 and based on the legacy wagon, the Subaru Outback is somewhat like a wagon and perhaps more like an SUV. To practical buyers, it offers the spacious interior and versatility of a mid-size SUV with driving attributes and fuel efficiency of a wagon. But perhaps its strongest virtue is the all-weather capability delivered by its standard all-wheel drive. Where it gets interesting is under the hood. The Outback is available with a choice of 2 Boxer engines. Boxer means the cylinders are horizontal and opposed to each other, so the pistons go back and forth like a boxer's fists, and the engine is low and flat, which aids in handling. The most refined choice is the 3.6-liter 6-cylinder with a 5-speed automatic whose strong acceleration and passing power come at the expense of fuel efficiency. Known for its ruggedness and excellent safety scores, the Outback is a great choice for those looking for an alternative to the standard SUV that's reliable, durable, and can last up to 300,000 miles when properly maintained and driven conservatively. The Honda Pilot. First released in 2003, its biggest issue was unacceptably long braking distance. Happily, this worrisome fault was later addressed. In 2012, Honda Pilot quickly earned a reputation for reliability, comfort, and practicality. With seating for 8 passengers and ample room for all of their stuff, this crossover echoed what people liked about SUVs without the heft or fuel economy as trade-offs. For such a large vehicle, the Pilot delivers a surprisingly calm and capable driving experience. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 that generates 250 horsepower and made it to a 5-speed automatic, this engine features variable cylinder management that allows it to seamlessly run on 3, 4, or 6 cylinders depending on driving conditions. As long as it's maintained adequately, the Pilot can blow past 200,000 miles easily with no major issues. If you are looking for a true 8-passenger vehicle that offers more on- and off-road capabilities than a minivan, the 2012 Honda Pilot belongs on your list. The Lexus RX 450h. Most SUV buyers rely on their vehicles every day, whether they use them to run errands or go off the beaten path for adventures. And while the Lexus RX flies under the radar of most potential buyers, it's certainly one of the most reliable SUVs to date. Making its debut in '98, the Lexus RX is one of the pioneers in the luxury crossover segment. Under the hood, the fuel-efficient RX 450h hybrid combines a V6 engine with an electric motor for higher power than the standard RX 350, with more comfort and city driving to boot. Soft and smooth is the best way we can describe it, floating over rather than rolling down the road. Kelley Blue Book provided a 4.6 out of 5 reliability rating for the RX based on its solid powertrain. For those looking for luxury at a good price, the Lexus RX is a safe choice, being a durable, reliable SUV that can last between 250 and 300,000 miles when regularly maintained and driven sensibly. The Toyota Highlander. The 2013 Toyota Highlander is a well-rounded mid-size SUV that provides a comfortable ride, spacious interior, and exceptionally good fuel economy. It is versatile and compact, and with a 5 out of 5 reliability rating from Consumer Reports year after year, It's a great choice for families and individuals who prioritize reliability. One of the most impressive features of the 2013 Highlander is its fuel economy. The base model with the 4-cylinder engine and front-wheel drive gets an estimated 20 mpg city and 25 highway. The V6, however, is the one we'd recommend, with all-wheel drive returning an impressive 17 mpg city and 22 highway. These fuel economy ratings are exceptional for its class, and they make the Highlander an affordable option for daily commutes and long road trips. Regardless of the engine option, it provides a smooth and comfortable ride, and the cabin is well insulated from outside noise. Known for its ruggedness and good safety scores, the Highlander is a great choice for those looking for a reliable, durable SUV that can last up to 300,000 miles when properly maintained and driven. The Honda CR-V. One of the best-selling models next to the RAV4 is the Honda CR-V, which dominates the compact SUV with sales hitting an all-time high in 2019 of 385,000 units sold in the US alone. First debuting in 1996, the fourth-generation models from 2012 and beyond offer a reliable and practical compact SUV that's also safe for daily driving and long trips. It's a great option for individuals and families who value performance, versatility, and practicality. Under the hood is a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine that generates 185 horsepower and is paired with a 5-speed automatic. The engine is smooth and responsive, providing adequate power for daily driving and long road trips. The all-wheel drive version offers better traction and stability in inclement weather, making it a popular choice for drivers who live in areas with harsh winters. The Honda CR-V is an extremely dependable vehicle and scores high reliability ratings across various platforms. RepairPal gave it an impressive rating of 4.5 out of 5 and ranked it second out of 26 compact SUVs. It's also relatively cheap to maintain, with an average annual maintenance cost of just $407, which is significantly less than the average of $652 across all vehicle models. The Toyota RAV4. It's no surprise to find the 2010 Toyota RAV4 here. It's one of the best-selling vehicles in America, even today, and while it might not wow in terms of style, impeccable quality, reliability, and strong resale value sure will. If you want a small to mid-size SUV that combines car-like performance, great handling, and fuel economy with available 4-wheel drive and even room for up to 7 passengers, the 2010 Toyota RAV4 is a good choice. Under the hood is a standard 2.5-liter 4-cylinder or an optional 3.5-liter V6 coupled to a 5-speed automatic, and considering the rave reviews this V6 gets, it's the one to get, as it generates nearly 100 horsepower more than most 4-cylinders, yet matches their fuel economy with long-term reliability others could only dream of. And to round it all up, the RAV4 scored great in both collision tests conducted by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. For those wanting something that's safe and lasts with minimal maintenance, the RAV4 is worth checking out. The Chevrolet Equinox. You probably didn't expect to see a Chevy on this list, but according to a recent survey carried out by J.D. Power of owners of 3-year-old Chevrolet Equinoxes, it found that this vehicle had the lowest problems than any other compact SUV, giving the Equinoxes the highest ranking in the class for dependability. When looking up Equinoxes on used car marketplaces such as KBB or Auto Traders, you will find models with over 250 miles on the odometer, some even surpassing 300,000. The 2013 Equinox offers good fuel economy ratings, with the base engine and front-wheel drive getting an estimated 22 mpg city, 32 highway, while the V6 and all-wheel drive gets 16 mpg city and 23 highway. These fuel economy ratings make it a great option for daily driving and long road trips. In terms of safety, it has received high ratings from both the NHTSA and the IHS. Not too big but not too small, the 2013 Equinox should be on your shortlist. Lots of passenger space and cargo room, a tow rating of up to 3,500 pounds and up to 32 mpg, it will serve both families and weekend sport enthusiasts alike. The Toyota 4Runner. It's hard to deny that Toyota 4Runner remains one of the most charming SUVs on the road. It's capable, it's bulletproof, it just looks cool. Many will be quick to criticize the 5th generation, which entered production back in 2009, for its bulky front and the design choices Toyota took. Though, is there any doubt that it's tough and won't quit? Under the hood, the 2013 4Runner comes standard with a 4-liter V6 engine that produces 270 horsepower and 278 pound-feet of torque mated to a 5-speed automatic, and buyers can choose between rear and all-wheel drive. The 4Runner is also capable of towing up to 5,000 pounds, making it a great choice for those who need to haul a trailer or boat. And with maintenance costs that are very reasonable at $514 per year, it offers an impressive combination of off-road capabilities, utility, and refinement. The Subaru Forester. The Forester is Subaru's flagship compact crossover SUV that's known for its impressive capabilities, spacious cabin, and advanced safety features. It's a versatile vehicle that's equally at home on city streets as it is on rugged terrain, making it a popular choice for a wide variety of car buyers. Under the hood is either a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 170 horsepower or a turbocharged 2-liter four-cylinder engine that generates 250 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with a CVT automatic that provides smooth and efficient shifting. It also earned top marks in collision tests conducted by the NHTSA and the IIHS. The 2014 Subaru Forester is a versatile and capable SUV that can last between 200,000 and 250,000 miles, as long as you follow proper maintenance and good driving habits. So, which one do you own or are you planning to get? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications for the latest car reviews and news. Take care, see you in the next one.